Hello everyone. I want to tell you about diaphragmatic breathing today. It is something that you can use for emotional regulation. That means you can use this technique to calm yourself down when you're feeling anxious, stressed, angry, and this is going to help you regulate your emotions and calm yourself down or de-escalate things. I'm going to show you how that works. So you can put one hand on your chest, the other one on your stomach. You're going to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. And the point of having a hand on your chest is to be aware not to move your chest and only your stomach. Sometimes when we're trying to take a deep breath, we tend to do this. Move our chest or shoulders up and down, and we're trying not to do that and only be aware of our stomach. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. You can use the hand to give you a little bit of help and push on your stomach a little bit, or just to remind you to be aware of your stomach moving, inflating and deflating as you breathe in and out. I'm going to be writing a blog about meditating, and I'm going to link this video there because this kind of breathing can also be used to start meditating. So this is called diaphragmatic breathing, and it can be used as an emotional regulation skill to calm yourself down when you're feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, anxious, and it can also be used for meditating. So you can use it for a minute or two or up to 10 to 20 minutes if you're trying to use it to meditate. I'll talk to you later. Bye.